Today I want to make a dish with yogurt, high protein, and chickpeas flour or gram flour. We also call besan. So I want to make a dish with these two. It's vegetarian, and all my vegan friends, please use dairy-free yogurt and we'll get the same result. So I want to tell some more things about chickpeas flour, gram flour besan, that it's also in high protein, plus iron, fiber, and the main thing is, because since this is a natural product, it is gluten-free. So for all my friends out there with gluten intolerance, it is perfect thing to make with chickpeas flour, as this is gluten-free. So I'm going to make a dish even for my friends who have gluten intolerance and can enjoy this dish as well. So the dish I'm going to make today with gram flour called Kadhi. It's a Indian Pakistani style gram flour curry with pakoras in it. Hi, so I'm Fauzia from Think Healthy, Live Healthy. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please click on the like button. So the ingredients we're gonna use for curry will be 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chickpeas gram flour, and cloves and pepper seeds, some cinnamon sticks. This we call Methi dana and cardamom. Ingredients we're gonna use is garlic powder, ginger powder, turmeric, chili powder, and pink salt, Himalaya salt. This is what I like to have. So these things. So first of all, put this. We take yogurt and put all this yogurt. Now mix the gram flour in. And mix it. Mix it nicely. Mix it nicely and add some water in it. And keep on mixing. Should be equally mixed. On mixing, add some more water in it. More. So that looks good. Quite good. And now we're gonna bring this to cook. We'll transport this in a pan. So we have our pan here. And we're gonna put this mix in the pan here. So it is quite liquid, which is very important to have it. So it mixed nicely. And now we have to let this cook. So now we're gonna add our ingredients. So these are the ingredients. We need to put it, you can put all this in. This is what we need here. And mix it nicely. get the flavor. And we're gonna add also these ingredients into that, and we'll let this all cook. It takes quite a while until it's nicely cooked together. So, how does it look like? So, while this is still cooking, we make pakoras ready to add to this. So, for pakoras, we will need 3 spoons of gram flour, 3 tablespoons of full tablespoons of gram flour. So, we'll take 1 onion with that. Some of those chilies you'll take, you can take it as you like to. And some of the fresh coriander. We'll take some mint and some fresh coriander with this. So this is what we're gonna mix. So I chopped the onions, chilies, and coriander and mint. Be aware of that mint, we only take mint leaves, not the whole thing. Just the mint leaf we take. But coriander, we use also the sticks, everything. We use everything here. But the mint, only mint leaves. And this is all here mixed here. And so I'm gonna add here. So here I have all these ingredients: chili powder a little bit, cumin powder. So as you know, this is cumin. So I grind it and I have the cumin powder and pepper powder and a little bit of salt. So this is what I'm gonna mix in here as well. And all these ingredients, and I will also add a bit of baking powder. So while this is still cooking, we push this to another side here and let this cook there. And we bring this pan here to make the pakoras, to get ready with the pakoras by the time this one is done. Okay? So we put this higher. So I guess this is warm enough. We will put the pakoras in here. This is our mix. Frying is all done, and bring this back in here behind, and the sauce is all done. So what we're gonna do now is here, mix all this here. and garnish a bit with coriander, mint and some fresh onions. So this is So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please make this dish and let me know how you like the taste. As I have already mentioned, you don't need to put so much spices in that. You can make mild curry as well and it will still taste good. I have added more chilies into that because I like to have more spices in my curry. So you please feel free to make this as you like it. Please try this curry and let me know how you like it. And please click on like button and I'll come up with more videos and with more healthy cooking. So stay safe and I'll see you soon.